Hello, John Gregory here with Orlando Rising, and this is Universal's Endless Summer Resort Surfside Inn Suites. Staying in a standard room here, a poolside view, the first tower of the two here at the Surfside Inn, and let me just go ahead and show you around the room. First thing you'll see when you enter is this big mirror with a couple of hooks, which is something you'll see along everywhere in the hotel rooms here. A lot of this storage space, I've never really seen this many hooks to hang bags, but just get them off the floor, I guess, is the general thinking. And then over here, you've got more storage space, a sort of closet with not a door on it, but a cloth just covering to keep it separated from the rest of the room, and that's where your hangers, your ironing board, your iron, some extra pillows up there. Turning around here, you come to the bathroom. Pretty standard Universal hotel bathroom setup here. You've got the mirror with the big time vanity lights on both sides. Some storage down here, your extra towels, hair dryer already in place and out and plugged in. Some Disney values, you'll see that stuffed in a cabinet somewhere, but here, already out for you, along with the hand soap and everything. This, unlike some other Universal resorts, this standard room comes with just the typical shower tub combination. Haven't tried the shower yet, but looks like a fairly normal sized shower head, but nothing too elaborate. And it's not the sit down shower, the shower with a seat that you can get at something like Sapphire Falls, or the standalone shower you'll get at Cabana Bay either. Just a shower and tub combination. Now coming back out into the main room, and here's the thermostat right here next to the closet area, a digital thermostat. This is a 2 queen bed room for the standards. Both beds, as you'll see, have these lights with the little hook switch, which I think is kind of neat, along with this very beach-themed art. Now, something unusual about the resort here. Every resort seems to be, if they're doing a big upgrade or they're recently built, they're putting in the USB plugs everywhere. This is the first time I've ever seen a USB-C plug. And that could be quite forward-thinking. Perhaps, Apple's going to make us all change our plugs again, and this will seem like a fantastic idea. Right now, though, it limits how many USB plugs you have. In a Disney value, you might have 10 spread across the room. Here, there's just 4, because they've exchanged 4 of those slots for USB-C. Will it work? Who knows? So, TV console area, storage space, the fridge right there. No coffee maker in this room. There's your ice bucket. Phone is over there instead of by the bed. This is the wood laminate sort of flooring. Laminate that's made to look like wood. No carpet here. They do have these runners next to the beds on either side, as well as in the middle, if you prefer that cozy carpet feel on your feet when you're getting up in the middle of the night. Another outlet in between the beds, the storage space. I do know for a fact that this little trunk here does not open, just purely decorative. And along with your alarm clock, TV remote right there. And chair over here. There's also another spot here, which is, I guess if you were going to use this as your working desk, that's your chair right down there. And I don't know if that'll fit under there. Along with a light above it. And edge of the bed, nothing much going on here. And there's your pool view. The sandbar right down there, the surfboard-shaped pool, as they call it, kind of looks more like a fish to me. But, fish are in the ocean, surfboards are in the ocean, it's still ocean-themed. And that is your room tour for Universal Surfside Inn Suites. Thank you very much.